Every city has an icon. For Hanoi, the city of 1,000 years of civilization, that symbol lies at its very heart, carrying a legend. For centuries, this place has been known as Ho Guom, the Lake of the Returned Sword, where the Golden Turtle God bestowed the divine sword upon King Luloi to defeat foreign invaders. The sword granted, the sword returned. That is the name that evokes national pride, and it is the starting point for every story about Hanoi. Perched on a small mound, Turtle Tower is more than just a unique architectural blend of European Gothic style and traditional Vietnamese design, it is the physical embodiment of the golden turtle from the legend. Turtle Tower is the quiet, resilient witness to all the historical upheavals and changes that Hanoi has endured. And to step into the heart of that legend, we cross the the Huc Bridge, which shines like a silk ribbon. This curved, vermilion bridge not only connects the lakeside to Ngoc Island, but also serves as a bridge between the physical world and a tranquil spiritual realm. This is Ngoc Son Temple, a complex of exquisite architecture, where folk beliefs harmoniously blend with Taoism. Ngoc Son Temple is dedicated to the scholar Saint Van Suong, the god overseeing literature and examinations, and the great Prince General Tran Quoc Tuan, the emblem of martial spirit and national defense. This dual veneration perfectly embodies the Vietnamese spirit of dual skill, excelling in both literary arts and military defense, where people come to pray for academic success and undying patriotism. But Hoan Kiem Lake is not just about ancient architecture. It is a vibrant space, constantly shifting with the pulse of the capital's residents. During the day, the tree-lined paths around the lake are the ideal route for joggers and leisurely cyclists. But the peak of this vibrancy occurs on the weekends. When the city transforms itself into the pedestrian street, the area around Hoan Kiem Lake becomes a gigantic stage. People draw closer together. It's where you see young people performing modern dances, seniors reliving traditional folk games, and street artists telling stories through music. This is where all barriers dissolve, where tourists and locals mingle in a cheerful, energetic, and festive atmosphere. Hoan Kiem Lake truly is the community's heart, the place where Hanoi fully showcases its most charming, friendly, and culturally rich side. When the city lights switch on, the area around the lake becomes magically illuminated and romantically enchanting. Golden lights from the old quarter and surrounding buildings reflect on the tranquil water surface, creating a vivid, oil-painted masterpiece. And standing prominent amid this magic, Turtle Tower remains resilient, its golden light embraced, acting as a spiritual lighthouse, anchoring the most ancient values of Hanoi.